Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Agrima and Tanvi. My name is Agrima and normally I know that Tanvi is right beside me, but for today's challenge we had to be apart because as you know by the title, we are doing the BFF telepathy challenge. The rules are pretty basic. We've chosen categories and we just have to, so we've kept options in the respective categories and all we have to do is test our friendship like if I and Tanvi choose the same options, then it's a win-win. If we don't, then we might reconsider our friendship.
Okay, so the first category that we've chosen for this challenge is outfits, both top and bottom. So there are two options for each choice that we have. So like in the tops, we have the option of like either wearing blue or purple. And for the bottom, we have a choice of wearing either black or blue.
So the very first category amongst the 4 to 5 categories that we have is clothes, and for the tops we had two options, blue and purple. So I don't know if you can see, but it's purple. So it's like a lilac color, and I think Tanvi knows that I'm obsessing over lilac. So I'm hoping that she chooses this because I'm going to go with lilac.
Okay, for the first category, I chose purple because I know Agrima will choose purple. I hope she chooses purple, not too sure. But out of purple and blue, it's like an obvious choice for us. She had a phase of lilac color, so I'm hoping that she chooses this.
And for the bottoms, Tanvi rarely wears jeans and denims and blues or any light colors. She normally wears black, so I'm hoping she's choosing black. So purple and black it is.
And also for the lower, I think I chose black because I think we own black a lot more than we own blue.
So my outfit is all ready. I am wearing my lilac t-shirt with black culottes.
So yeah, it's purple and black from my side, and I really hope that Agrima has chosen the same, although I'm a little confused about the top. But yeah, that's the video of my outfit, purple and black.
Now coming to the makeup, I don't think any one of us can do or pull off bold makeup. So I'm going to go with the nude and the more calm makeup. So
okay, so now that outfits are done, the next category we have is makeup, and the choices for the makeup we have is bold and basic. Pretty obvious choice for us. It's going to be basic because we usually don't wear makeup. Even while shooting, it's just very light makeup, and we've never bold makeup, and it's not possible for us because we don't know how to do bold makeup. So we're just gonna stick with the basic. So I'm gonna do my makeup now. So this is the makeup that I went with. I think Agrima went with the same makeup too. It's just very basic makeup. I rarely do base, but today I felt like doing it, so I did it. And then the other thing is liner, and just I don't put blush usually, but Agrima is a huge fan of blush, and her go-to makeup is just liner and loads of blush. That's why I did put blush today.
okay, so my makeup is done. I've kept it very simple, as you can see, just liner and some lip balm with some blush. And now it's time for my hair. So just a heads up, every time Tanvi has an opportunity to curl her hair or wave her hair, do anything not straight with her hair, she will do it because she has naturally straight hair, and for me, I don't like waves and curly hair. But because I know that she will not compromise on curls and waves, so I think I'm gonna do the waves today, which is why I have my curler right here. So let's just curl our hair.
Okay, so the next category of the challenge is hair, and we have two choices to either go straight or wavy. I already did my hair and I chose wavy. I know Agrima is going to choose wavy because she will think that I will choose wavy. Therefore, wavy hair.
Now coming to the accessorization, necklace. So I'm not like an accessory person, but Tanvi is, so this one's confusing me.
And Agrima knows how much I love accessorization.
So for the necklace, I think I'm not gonna do anything. Yeah, because I don't like too much of jewelry, but I'm still like on second thoughts. I want to do it because I think Tanvi will do it, but I don't really know if she skips it. So yeah. But for the earrings, I'm going to do studs. I'm still wearing tiny studs. I'm going to go with these triangle ones now.
So the next choice we have is between either we wear a necklace or not wear necklace. So I wore a necklace, it's a lead necklace, and hoping that Agrima wears one too. The next category we have is wearing hoops or studs. I personally would have preferred hoops, but I know Agrima is not going to wear hoops, therefore I will choose studs. Okay, so I chose my earrings and they are these little studs. Three, two, one, go. Show me your lower.
Okay. No, wait.
You didn't wear a necklace.
I did not.
You know how much I love necklaces. No, I would not. You know how much I love necklaces and you're not
I
wearing it.
literally said that in the video that she loves it, but I'm just hoping she leaves it because I don't wear them.
No, but I thought that you, since you bought like new, so you were like really excited about them.
Yeah, so like I did waves because you love it.
Yeah, I did waves.
Totally very,
Yeah.
And then like I knew you'd know that.
Yeah, but also you had a phase of like, oh, I wear like studs because you would wear studs because you would wear studs.
I cannot. I don't have to.
I also wore black niche.
You wore black, yes. I was pretty sure about everything except for
I was so sure about the necklace thing because you know how much I love access. Oh wait, I also said in the video that since you put loads of blush today, I'm also putting blush. You can see blush on me because I never put blush.
Yeah, you're like red all.
Yes, because I never put blush and I did for you. I also did the aloe vera thing for the liner.
Yeah.
Oh, for the mascara, sorry.
Yeah,
But I was
get
so
it.
sure you would do
I
necklace.
was so sure that you were going to wear black and lilac.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
you would do waves. I was so sure, like, bang on. I said that in the video. I was like, Tanvi cannot leave anything. Like, she can leave the world, but she'll not leave the opportunity to curl or wave.
Yeah.
Anything with her hair.
Yes.
So I'm like, I don't like doing them, but I'll do them today.
Thanks.
Wave for you.
Thanks.
Okay, so let's check the list.
Yeah.
Lilac.
Done. Lilac.
Black.
Black. Done.
Now wearing black. Then
Waves.
what?
Oh, sorry. Basic makeup.
Makeup. It is basic.
Yeah.
I said that so none of us.
Yeah, I also said that we can't do bold makeup. We don't know how to do it.
How to do bold makeup.
So we're just gonna stick with the basic and then
Waves.
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 Sadly,
Necklace.
I really thought you would wear it, Agrima. What the hell?
I just gave it a shot. I was like, please leave it, please leave it.
You know, I would not leave the necklace. I'm
Yeah,
like,
I mean,
before every party, I ask you if I should wear it, if it'll look extra or not. And you say, wear it. Why not today?
Yeah.
Okay, and the last thing is the studs,
Studs.
which we did.
Yeah.
So we are on 4 on a 5.
Yeah, that's not bad at all. Like,
I said that maybe we might just get 3 or 4 correct.
yeah, I was so just the next. I was not sure about that.
So
I
we
think we passed.
we passed by a 4 on 5.
We were good friends, Tanvi.
We're good friends. We're good friends. That's why we have a YouTube channel. So
Thank you guys.
if you like the video, don't forget to
Like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
also hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time we post. And thank you for
Thank you
watching.
for
This is good.